family, and welcome to today's What Fits in My Bag. The bag we're reviewing is the Chanel Classic Jumbo double flap in black caviar leather with gold hardware and of course the chain strap. Externally there's the expected back pocket. Inside the bag, there's a main middle section with 2 pockets plus lipstick holder. Small section in the back. The secret love letter zip section. And a section in the front for a phone or anything you desire. We'll put the dimensions of the bag below. Now it's time to see what fits inside this bag. A Canon G7X camera, the Dior card holder, the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, Louis Vuitton Josephine purse, notebook and pen, a slim large power bank charger, a phone that's the same size as the new iPhone X, powder compact, mirror and hand cream, lipstick and a packet of tissues, and sunglasses in a soft pouch. And you'll see there are no problems closing the bag with the turn lock. And that's everything that fits in this